First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
A very fine spring day we have going for us here on this April 23rd in Bowling Green in southern Kentucky. High pressure overhead giving us the beautiful weather. Looks like that's going to continue for a little while longer, maybe even through much of tomorrow, even warmer than today. But then we'll have to talk about rain chances as we get into tomorrow night and into the weekend. 58 right now, and radar showing the clean sweep and the evidence of high pressure that's bringing us the sunny skies. As we look at temperatures around the mesonet sites, it's mostly mid to upper 50s, even now some low 60s beginning to show up. 60 Hopkinsville and Russellville, almost that in Burkesville now, and then mid 50s as you head further north across south central Kentucky, with a little bit of a wind coming now in from the northeast at say 10 to 15 miles per hour. And this is the cooler edge of the high pressure center, which is a little bit west of us. So the winds are going to be more out of the north and northeast until that center of high pressure passes east of our area. Then we'll start to get a southerly wind flow. That's going to happen tomorrow, and that will help us warm up to near 80 degrees. As we look live from our AAA Systems Doppler cam, looking at the hill at Western, seeing the beautiful green trees, everything coming out very nicely now as we're into late April, and it looks like it's just onward and upward from here, and that will go for the temperatures too. 60 right now, feels like 58 with that little bit of a north wind at 6 miles per hour. And as I mentioned, that north wind today will shift and become a south wind tomorrow, and that's going to help us warm up just ahead of our next storm system. Franklin, you're at a sunny 58 degrees now. You started the morning at 46 there at the Simpson County Mesonet site. As we move on and go to Greenville, you're at 58. You started at 46 at the Muhlenberg County site there. Litchfield at 56. You started at a cool 40 degrees up in Grayson County this morning. And there's Mammoth Cave National Park, starting to see a lot more green and some colors there. 57 degrees currently with a low temperature this morning of 42. Radar, pretty quiet here as evidence of that high pressure center right over us. Showers and even some thunderstorms now over toward Kansas City. Now that west of us in the Central Plains, parts of the Midwest, is going to be a focal point over the next few days for the potential for some severe weather. In fact, as we get into, say, Saturday, Sunday, you'll be hearing more about severe weather breaking out in the plains. It's been fairly quiet. Usually April, a very active severe weather season, or at least month in the spring season, but things have been pretty tranquil just because of the pattern that's been set up, a cooler trend here, and things certainly quiet for us. Even on the satellite view, we're seeing just very quiet weather over southern Kentucky. 59 degrees currently at the airport, starting to see a lot more 60s now west and southwest of us as evidence of that high moving east. These folks to the west of us starting to get more of a southerly wind flow, so they're warming up nicely, but we're pacing 12 degrees cooler than we were at midday yesterday. And that's the reason why, right there, that high pressure center that's right on top of us. So the flow has been out of the north and northeast, but as it moves east overnight, we'll start to get more southerly winds. You'll notice a few more clouds during the day tomorrow, and it will be breezy along with those warmer winds. And here comes our next system. This is a fairly fast-moving cold front, and with it, a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. So look how late, like after 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, and then into the very early hours of Friday morning, but then it'll be out of here. We will get some maybe gusty thunderstorms out of this, although we're not expecting any severe weather, and then things clear up for Friday afternoon. Sunny and pleasant today, around 70, then tonight 46 under a mainly clear sky. Tomorrow we'll bounce it all the way to 80 with that chance of showers and thunderstorms late tomorrow night, early Friday, but then we clear out Friday and stay close to 80. 78 Saturday, good looking day there. Most of Sunday will be nice. The clouds will roll in, showers and thunderstorms, 75 after Sunday afternoon, and then periods of showers and thunderstorms Monday and Tuesday. We could even see some severe weather on Monday, highs in the low 70s, but heavy rain potential as a front just sticks here and begins to just wave after wave of showers and thunderstorms. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.